Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and today we got Nokia 8.1 smartphone with us, and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We are going to have a look on the device, its design, highlighted features, specs, and all of the usual unboxing stuff. First of all, let me tell you that Nokia 8.1 is the exactly same device that was launched earlier as Nokia X7 in China. So if you're watching this video from China by chance, then this is the same device for you, Nokia X7. So let's start it. On the front side there is an image of the device. Nokia 8.1 comes with Android 1. On the back of the retail box there are some images provided of the device and few of the highlighted features and specs. So Nokia 8.1 comes with Android 9 Pie OS. It features 6.18 inch 18.7:9 Full HD Plus pure display, and there is a notch provided as well, as you can see here. On the back side there is 12 plus 13 megapixel rear camera setup along with Zeiss optics, and it comes with optical image stabilization as well. So Nokia 8.1 is one of those rare smartphones in this segment that come with optical image stabilization feature. On the front side there is 20 megapixel camera provided. The camera comes with advanced AI imaging, so the camera of Nokia 8.1 will be able to detect the object seen and change the camera setting accordingly. Just like other Nokia Android smartphone, it also comes with dual side technology that uses the front and rear camera simultaneously to capture images, videos, and also live stream the content. Nokia 8.1 comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 mobile platform, and the device is powered by 3500 mAh battery. It comes with 18-watt fast charging, and Nokia claims that the battery life will be of 2 days. So we will do a battery drain test on Nokia 8.1 as well to check how good is this claim of Nokia. And here is the branding of Qualcomm Snapdragon and Zeiss optics. So the device we got inside is blue in color, and the variant we got is 4GB RAM with 64GB storage. So now let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. And here we go. So here is our Nokia 8.1. There is a SIM card tray ejector pin provided, Nokia 8.1 quick start guide. Here is the 18-watt quick charger, a USB Type-C cable, and a set of earphone. As you can see that there is a 3.5mm earphone provided. So Nokia 8.1 comes with 3.5mm audio jack, so this is a good base. So these are the content we got exactly inside the retail box of Nokia 8.1. The smartphone, quick start guide, SIM card tray ejector pin, USB Type-C cable, an 18-watt charger, and 3.5mm headphone. So here is our Nokia 8.1. First of all, let's remove this plastic cover. And here we go. So here is our Nokia 8.1 in blue color. So let's switch on the device now. So I'm just going to skip all of these steps to reach the home screen. And here we go. So here is our Nokia 8.1 home screen. As you can see that it's a huge screen and the screen is pretty empty. The home screen, we just got the set of Google application, the folder, Photos application, and camera, Google Chrome, Play Store, message, and dialer. So first of all, let's have a look on the design of the device. So on the front side we got 6.18 inch Full HD Plus screen. The screen to body ratio is pretty good, but even though Nokia says that Nokia 8.1 comes with edge-to-edge display, you can see that we got bezels at the top and also on the sides at the edges, and at the bottom we got a bit of chin here as well. But since there is Nokia branding provided at the bottom, we can say that this space is utilized for something at least. Nokia 8.1 screen comes with HDR10 support, and with 81% screen to body ratio you will get 408 ppi, and because of that you will get crystal clear and sharp display. So you can see that how nice is the display quality of Nokia 8.1. The color saturation is brilliant, and even though the screen is so close to the camera, you will not see any kind of pixelation. The viewing angles are nice as well. And the screen is protected by neck glass. If you go to the settings and then to display, here you will find an option called pure display. And in this you can see that you got once again few options like dynamic, that is the HDR10 option, and you can also select the vivid, cinema and basic. So the display quality of Nokia 8.1 screen is really nice and impressive. The display is really sharp and the color saturation and contrast are really pleasing. Talking about the design and build quality of Nokia 8.1, it is one of the most premium looking smartphone in this segment. The front side is beautiful. The only drawback is that you got a bit of bezel all over the screen and the notch is a bit bigger compared to other smartphones. If you have a closer look on the notch, you can see we got a front facing camera, an earpiece and a set of sensor and lots of empty space between each component. So it would be better if Nokia could reduce the size of the notch on Nokia 8.1. On the side of the Nokia 8.1 we got aluminum frame sandwiched between the glass on the front and glass on the back. On the right hand side there are power keys and volume rockers provided. At the top there is 3.5mm audio jack and a microphone. On both of these components there are antenna lines provided as well. At the bottom there is USB Type-C port, the speaker grill, microphone and once again antenna lines. On the left hand side there is SIM card slot. This is a dual SIM smartphone and the SIM2 slot can be used as micro SD card slot as well, and it supports up to 400 GB of memory card. On the back side there is dual rear camera setup along with Zeiss branding, LED flash, fingerprint sensor, Nokia branding and Android One branding. From the back side it looks very much like the previously launched Nokia 7.1. One drawback here on the back side of Nokia 8.1 is that the camera module got a huge hump. So if you're not going to use any case on your Nokia 8.1, then you need to be careful while putting the device on the surface or table, because maybe the camera module will get some scratches, etc. Overall, the design of Nokia 8.1 is so premium and beautiful. It looks premium from every angle and it is one of the most beautiful and premium looking smartphone in its segment for sure. If you go to the app drawer of the device, you can see that it comes with just a set of Google application because it's an Android One device, so there are no additional or unnecessary applications provided by Nokia. So you will have to use all of these applications to perform most of the tasks, and if you are not happy with them, then you will have to download third-party application to perform similar tasks. It's totally up to you whether you would like to go with the clean Android One launcher and apps or you will prefer something else. If you go to the settings and then to the storage, here you will find that out of 64 GB, 50.79 GB storage is free, so nearly 21% is used because of the pre-installed application and the ROM. So you will get around 50 GB free internal storage, and if this is not sufficient for you, then you can use the SIM2 slot as micro SD card slot to expand the storage. If you go to the camera application, you will find the usual Nokia camera interface. There is photo, video, pro mode, slow motion, time lapse provided as well. There is live bokeh, panorama and a square. Basically this is for the Instagram users, and it comes with HDR and lots of other features like beautification, Bokeh, Google Lens, etc. So we will have a look on all of these features and performance of Nokia 8.1 camera in our detailed camera review of the device, but right now let's take some picture and let's see how good the camera is going to perform. So I'm just going to take a picture of this retail box first. So I'm just using the photo mode, everything is in auto. So you can see that the focusing speed is fast and also the image processing is pretty fast. So macro shot. Let's try to take some picture of this tiny little toy here. So these are the images that we have just captured. You can see that lots of details are there. It's a small tiny little toy and you can see that how much detail is coming when I'm zooming in. So the color saturation is good and very realistic like the original object, and you can see that lots of detail is there for sure, because this is a tiny little toy. You can see how small it is, and when I'm zooming in on the image, you can see lots of detail is coming after zooming in still. And here is the image of the retail box. It was also a micro shot captured so close, and you can see like how much detail is coming. I didn't even notice the hair on the finger on this retail box that you can see in this image captured here. And the nails are really dirty. So this is the very first image that we captured. So it's looking really nice and impressive. Lots of detail. Color saturation is really nice and realistic, exactly like the original object, not much or less. The focusing speed is good. The image processing speed is good as well. So at the first glance, the camera performance of Nokia 8.1 is looking quite good and promising, but we will do a detailed camera review of the device to see that how good this device is going to perform in different scenarios and in all those different camera modes. But at the first glance, it's pretty nice. So the first impression of Nokia 8.1 is mostly positive. Device is really beautiful, premium looking, and the build quality is nice as well. The display quality is brilliant. The only drawback is on the front side we got good amount of bezel and a huge notch. Snapdragon 710 performance is looking quite good, but we have just started using the device, so we will do few benchmarking tests and a detailed gaming review to see how good the Nokia 8.1 hardware is going to perform in the real life scenario. Talking about the camera quality, it's looking really nice and impressive. It's capturing lots of detail in the images. Color saturation is really nice and vivid, and everything else like focusing speed, image processing speed, etc. are looking good as well. But we will do a detailed camera review of Nokia 8.1 very soon to see that how good the camera quality is going to be in different scenario, and we will check all of the features and options provided in the camera app of Nokia 8.1 as well. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, get the notification for the future videos, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.